Hi, I'm Joanne Colon, an American English conversation tutor. Today's article has 5 expressions that we like to use when talking about food or eating. Spice, a seed, powder, etc., used to add flavor to food. The spices are sold in small packets. Have you ever been so hungry that it made you angry? If so, you could say that you were hangry. For example, my kids get hangry when they have to wait for lunch. I hope this article was helpful for you today. If you need any extra help with this article, or if you need help improving your English speaking skills, I invite you to contact me. You can do that in 2 ways. One, go to impruling.com and write me a message there. Or, second, you can write me a message in the comments under this video. I look forward to reading your comments and your messages, and I also hope to be able to help you improve your English so you can speak more like a native speaker and have confidence in your English speaking ability. I hope to read from you very soon.